In the background is fire.
Thank you for the pen flute concert.
All right.
It's time you knew Shaggy likes baggy.
Yeah. Oh, that's actually not. See, communication is key. See, Scooby knows.
Yeah,
Scooby knows that.
like it doesn't have a key thing, but I can see it like being used as a key.
I'll try to figure it out later, but this is how the artwork is coming out. I did start it with my left hand, and then now I'm trying to complete it with my right hand. So yeah. I think it's sort of finished, just need to fix that there. I don't want to work on this too much because it will be like it's overworked on. So like for example, I keep going over and over with the white with the bunnies, trying to make it perfect, which I should not. But yeah, I'm just trying to fix the bunnies and this hand since I could not fix it back then. There is another version of this drawing. I didn't paint it yet. I'm thinking of using mostly whites, blues, and greens. I'm not so sure if I want to use yellow. I might use yellow again. Just I'm not going to use red. So this is like the main color, which is like red with green. And of course blue and yellow. I mean, I really like the colors of this. The painting turned out really great. It's just that I feel like I'm overworking it and I don't want to do that. So yeah, I'm just gonna stop here with the skin and just try to finish the bunnies. But after this, I can start a different painting, which I am happy about. Okay, so I'm starting another painting. I was actually trying to do this painting. I'm gonna wait until it gets dry because I think I messed up just a little bit there, but then again, I'm not so sure. Anyway, so like how this is going, but this I need to wait until it's dry. I don't want to overwork it. The other painting, which is this painting, it's finally finished. I love it. I like the colors, and now I'm gonna try to fix this because this is, I think it's been done in 2018 maybe, I don't know, because that's the last time I used that pencil. If I can find it somewhere here. Where is the pencil? No, I don't see it. Is it okay, it's this one. I don't really use it that much, so I just leave it there. I still have two more, but yeah, I'm gonna try to edit this and hopefully erase the blue. I did do two of these, so I was hoping for one can be like midnight and the other can be like sunlight or sunrise, something like that. But yeah, I want to do midnight first. I don't know which one I wanted to make midnight, so I'm just gonna do this one as midnight. It looks much better. It's just that this part here is kind of bothering me. I have to fix that maybe tomorrow. It is getting later now. But yeah, I do like how this is looking so far. Well, just the face, I guess.
You're gonna like this.
You want me to give you my jet?
No. I want to rent it.
There are apps for that, man.
Or I can get my guy NA to make an NFT specifically for you.
Guys, I'm so happy. I finally got him. I waited years, freaking years to get him. And oh my gosh, I love it. I love him. Okay, so we're gonna hear his voice. I already heard it when I got him, but like it was so fast. So I have these guys. Oh, and look at him. Okay, so I'm gonna click on him and hear his voice.
Originally, I wanted to seek a great enlightenment of life and religion, but I stayed in the world of mortals because of my affection for the world.
Yes. Perfect. I'm gonna give him lots and lots of gifts.
Well, maybe some things are supposed to be just for us.
I'm watching, I think it's called Leo, the movie, on Netflix, and I'm doing a commission. So there's this like eye commission, so I might just call it ear. So I'm not gonna add the nose or anything, so I just took a picture and sent it to the client. Really happy that I got a commission, the first commission of the year, yay. So far it's looking fine. The only thing that is bugging me, it's this eye. It's like, I think it's thicker than the side, so I'm gonna have to fix that. I'm gonna rest now because I did add a few things. I did start on it today because yesterday I just couldn't draw, so I took like a break. I had to like think of which position I wanted to draw, and then I started today, and tomorrow I'm gonna continue it again, or maybe later. It depends if my hand is gonna be okay. As you guys know, my hand is still not fully healed, so there's that. So yeah, I'm gonna take a break right now and complete this movie. It's interesting so far. So yeah, I'm just really happy to do commissions. So I actually try to add more things to it because everything went off because, you know, load shedding, aka blackouts, that happened. And yeah, I was like, you know what, I'm gonna just draw. But then my hand was getting so sore, so I just stopped. So this is how far I went. But the only thing that's bothering me right now is just this area here on top. Like the head looks so big. Like I don't know. Maybe I should add the ears more, but like I think I'm gonna shorten this side maybe. It depends, like if I really want to add the ears or not. I'm still thinking because this is an eye commission, so it's like mostly here is going to be cut off here. I'm still thinking if I want to shrink this canvas because it's already like shrinked like down to this. So example, I'm gonna maybe do something like this where I end up doing like this, like a bumper sticker, or maybe shrink it a little bit more because I don't really want to showcase all of it. So for example, I might end up doing something like this instead. Oopsie. So I might just do like so. That could be it. Yeah, something like this. Because this is an eye commission. This is my first eye commission, so I don't exactly know how I want to do it. I just feel like this area is a little too much, so I'm gonna maybe, I don't know, I'm still thinking. I should think a little bit more faster since, I mean, I don't want to rush the commission because I did start like today. So tomorrow is gonna be like proper positions and line art maybe, or the next day give me line art, and then the next day I can start with the coloring because I want to take my time on commissions. I don't want it to be rushed and I don't want it to be overdue.
right.
So last night I ended up doing the line art for this. I do like how the line art is looking so far. It's just that I have to do something with the eyes and eyebrows. Line art is fine. I mean, it could, change. I don't like this ear. I don't know why, but I keep changing the ears. This ear was not the best, but then now it's looking fine. Now this ear is just not it. So yeah, the eyebrows and the eyes just needs to be fixed. I think I'm not okay with this, so I'm gonna fix that. But other than that, I like it. So yeah. I just have to fix that. And also I'm not okay with this hair. And then I can finally add the colors. I did this 1 a.m., 2 a.m. side. It's Tuesday, so yeah, I'm again sleeping late. But yeah, I was just thinking of vases, aka vases, whatever you call it. And these ideas just popped up in my head, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna go on Pinterest right now while I am in the mood to just look for ideas. I am so tired. And I'm not in a good condition to draw because my hand is getting now a little bit sore, so I'm taking a break. So this is what I came up with using these 3 images. When I saw these 2 on top, I immediately thought this can be the bottom of the dress. I do have another idea for this, or I'm gonna change this dress and put the top at the top. Because this was giving me bottom, this was giving me bottom, this was giving me top. But the heart shape, this area here, and I just made it so. It's just a rough sketch, but still. I feel like this whole thing can actually be a top. That will look even more prettier. So I'm gonna change that. I don't like the beads here. Whatever pearls, whatever it's called. But yeah, this was just giving me ballroom? Yeah, whatever. So I'm gonna do 2 versions of this. This with the longer dress, and it's not that wide. And then the next one is gonna be a wider dress, almost like a Cinderella one almost. Just said almost twice. And then I was getting ideas for the earrings. So the flowers here, and then we have the leaves. It's leaves. And then we have them going up here, and then the other one going that side. And then we have the part up here going like this. And this could also be blue and green and gold. I have an idea for that. I feel like this dress is gonna be a little naturey. I kind of want to finish this hopefully soon. All I have to do is just try to add some of the hair going on here and add some grays and blues to the snake. And then for this one, which I'm not gonna work on right now, I'm just gonna have to add a few details here and maybe a few shadows here. The nose, it's fine. And then add some shine to the eyes and then I'm finished. Sort of. But yeah, I'm glad this one's also finished. Yay!
It won't be easy. I won't want to let it go.
You have to at least try. Charles, this is your chance. The only power he has right now is the power that you give him.
So I think this is finally finished. Not so sure why the nose came like that. I did try to add pencil colors to get some more of the shadows in. It's okay. I'm thinking of adding the little white balls here to make it look like it's actually my art. And then we have this one where I did go in with a brown pencil and a pink pencil and a black pencil. So just to get that lines come out a little bit. And I also used like a gray aka silver pencil just to get the shadows in the eyes a little bit. I think it was nicer when it was like fadey, but now I just kind of made things stand out a little bit. I mean, it's fine. It's okay. I like it still. This one, I don't know what's up with the face right now, but like it was completely fine yesterday, but today it just looks so weird. Like a blush, like too much makeup or something. But I still do love the colors. The red and the blue and the black is just so good. The tattoo, I didn't want to like outline anything even more, so I just left it that way. But yeah, I do like how the textures are coming out. It's just that the pencil kind of just ruined some of the things. So I'm looking for a better sort of pencil colors. But I don't really know which pencil colors to choose since I have tried a few and many of them just turn out to be really bad. I don't want to now get more pencil colors and it's just not that good and it's really expensive and I don't have the money for it, so let's not do that. I'm not going to waste any money on pencil colors. I'm going to keep the pencil colors I have right now. I just use it for like when things look fadey and I just want to like go in a little bit and fix some things. But I like how this is looking so far. And today I want to start adding some more to this painting. Yeah, I'm just gonna have to see what I can do with this. I think I'm gonna have to make her hair a little darker by using a different paint. So yeah, there's that. I do want to try fixing the face now, but also the eyes. I'm really excited to do the eyes. So I just want to do those today since this is finished. Yay! Well, sort of. I'm still thinking if I want to add these over here. So basically I'm trying to finish this commission. It is taking a while because I don't want to wash it. I just know I'm gonna miss things out. For example, a line that's not supposed to be there. This area here is kind of like concerning me, like it doesn't look right, but oh well. And the hair as well, like here on top, it was a little bit like in a very different position, so I had to fix that. It's still looking a little weird, so I'm gonna have to fix that. I was going to move the ears and make it a little squishy because the reference that I have been given, which is like this, if you can see, the ears are like way up there, and since I don't really do that, I decided to make it a little down, so I guess it's different to the references. So far it's fine. Okay, it's like 2 a.m. and everything went off. So I'm like using the light and just eating some snacks because I'm hungry. I wanted to like add some color to it, so this is how it's looking so far. And yeah, my hand is kind of getting hurt. Today my hand is just not it, so I'm just gonna take a break right now and complete the first base tomorrow, hopefully, and then send it to the client and get some feedback if the colors are correct, because the skin color was a little bit, hard to do because I was trying to use the color picker on the skin color to make sure the color is actually the same using like the lasso tools. I was like mixing it like using this and I was getting close, so I just got these colors, but it looked really dark when I was trying to make the color exactly the same. So I kind of like, it's kind of different on the camera than on here because I don't know if you can like actually see the color because it's not exactly it. The main focus is the eyes. I think the line art is fine. I'm gonna keep the line art as this. Maybe change something just here or there, but oh, and definitely I have to change that, or just leave it like that. I don't know. I'm thinking of changing it. But yeah, so far it's looking similar to the reference that I was given, and yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna enjoy my snacks, and I am getting tired, but I kind of don't want to sleep, but that might change. I feel like listening to music, but also I want to watch something, but also I want to read something. Do you know that feeling? Before I go to bed or whatever, I was talking to another client and they wanted me to do something for them, and it has to do like fairies, so I drew something like this to give an example of what they actually want. This was when my hand was getting so sore, so I was just like using the pen and just like quickly, what is it? Where's the pen? Where is the pen? I don't understand.